Hello, all. This is Kanu Bhutani here, and we will be seeing semester one LLB course in Mumbai University and other universities. The subject is tort law, and the first question is discuss the aims and objectives of the Consumer Protection Act 2019. So, the aims are to protect consumer rights against exploitation, to provide mechanisms for redressal of grievances, to ensure quality in goods and services, to regulate unfair trade practices effectively, to provide a remedy for defective products, to address the rising e commerce consumer base, to introduce mediation for dispute resolution, to create awareness about consumer rights nationwide, to reduce delays in consumer case hearings, to strengthen consumer protection in the economy. So, in case if there are some things that you purchase, and if there is some quality issue in goods and services, then we have the Consumer Protection Act, so to solve the issues uh, easily and without any delays, and the mediation is also available. So these are the aims to create this Consumer Protection Act 2019. And then the objects for these objective is that to safeguard interests of consumers from exploitation. If the Consumer Protection Act is not there, then any the sellers can take undue advantage. So establishing central consumer protection authority, strengthening penalties for misleading advertisements, promote consumer welfare in the digital marketplace, mandate fair practices in trade and commerce, provide framework for swift grievance redressal, empower consumers with informed purchasing decisions. Therefore, you see it in every pack, it is written what are the ingredients and what are the different parameters like calcium, how much calcium is there, how much potassium is there, or etc. etc. to make the people aware, prohibit unfair terms in consumer contracts, address liability for defective products promptly, and facilitate easy filing of complaints online. The relevant case laws are Donner versus Stevenson, in which manufacturer's liability was established. Lucknow Development Authority versus MK Gupta, deficiency defined broadly. State of Karnataka versus Pratima Devi, housing services included as goods. Indian Medical Association versus VP Shanta, medical negligence actionable under Act. Abhay Kumar Panda versus Bajaj Alliance, insurance disputes under consumer jurisdiction. Ambrish Shukla versus Feroz Infrastructure. In this, territorial jurisdiction of consumer disputes were solved. Fortis Hospital versus Vikas Thakur, hospitals liability for deficient services. Amazon versus Chaitanya Kumar, e-commerce platforms as service providers. Hindustan Coca-Cola versus Dr. B. Kumar. In this, liability for defective consumables emphasized. And the last case is Maruti Suzuki versus Omkar Nath Sharma, manufacturer liability for vehicle defects. So, if you write these 10 case laws in support of the aims and objectives of the Consumer Protection Act, this will be enough to write an exam. Thank you.